One of the biggest debates in car maintenance revolves around engine oil. Synthetic versus conventional oil. What's better? It seems like everyone has an opinion, and the advice you get can be as confusing as a foreign road sign. Let's break this down and uncover the truth about this heated topic. First off, synthetic oil is often marketed as the miracle worker of the car world. It's said to provide better lubrication, withstand extreme temperatures, and even extend the life of your engine. That's why many car manufacturers now recommend synthetic oil for their vehicles. But here's the kicker, it comes with a higher price tag. On average, synthetic oil changes can cost 2 to 3 times more than conventional ones. So, is it worth the extra bucks, or is it just a clever upsell? The supporters of synthetic oil argue that it's a no-brainer. It's engineered to be more uniform in structure, meaning fewer impurities and better performance. If you drive in extreme conditions, like very cold winters or scorching summers, synthetic oil is less likely to break down. Plus, it's more resistant to sludge buildup, which can gunk up your engine and lead to costly repairs. All that sounds great, right? But let's not dismiss conventional oil just yet. For older cars, especially those with high mileage, some mechanics claim conventional oil is better. It's thicker, which can help seal tiny engine leaks that are more common in aging engines. And if you're someone who sticks to regular oil changes and doesn't drive in extreme conditions, conventional oil might do the job just fine. Then there's the issue of blending. Many oils marketed as synthetic are actually synthetic blends, combining conventional and synthetic oils. While they're cheaper than full synthetic oil, they may not offer the same benefits. This has sparked accusations of misleading advertising, leaving car owners wondering if they're truly getting what they pay for. Another controversy is whether synthetic oil is really necessary for every car. Some argue that for everyday driving, especially if your car is older and wasn't designed with synthetic oil in mind, it's overkill. On the other hand, if your car manual specifies synthetic oil, using conventional oil could void your warranty, a risk most car owners aren't willing to take. So, what's the verdict? The answer depends on your car, your driving habits, and your budget. Synthetic oil might be a better investment if you want peak performance and engine longevity. But if you're driving an older car and looking to save money, conventional oil might still serve you well. What do you think? Are you team synthetic, team conventional, or somewhere in between? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider car maintenance tips.